Hello everyone, this is the installation guide for our senior project SPARSE. I'm Emmanuel Perez and with me is Nicholas Gonzalez.
Hello.
Our product owner was Dr. Miguel Alonso, and our mentor was Dr. Masoud Sajadi. So let's start with the software and hardware. The software you guys are gonna have to obtain is Unreal Engine 4.20.3, Visual Studio's 2017 with the workload game development with C++. You guys are gonna have to get RPC lib 2.2.1, as well as for Python 3, you guys are gonna have to get MPRPC inputs and keyboard models. For hardware, you guys are gonna have to get or have a gamepad that works with your PC, and ideally have a decent GPU to run the project. Now, for installing Visual Studio 2017 64-bit, you guys, when installing, make sure to have the game development with C++ checked, so that way it installs with Visual Studios. And then when installing Unreal Engine 4.20, which is now free, make sure to get it through the launcher, the 4.20.3. As I mentioned earlier, it's free now, so you guys should be able to get it.
Yeah, and you can get the launcher on the Unreal website.
Yep. And then for Python, you can install it from uh, the Python website.
Yep, it's on the website. And then make sure you pip
And
install.
to install three, the MPRPC inputs and keyboard.
Hello, everybody. So I'm going to go into the initial setup and, opening up the project for the first time. So first thing you'll do is you will clone the Git. I'll make a copy of that. So I'll copy the clone. And now I need to get RPC lib. So you can go here, and if you follow these commands, it'll work. This is specifically for Visual Studio 2017. So you'll clone the Git, you'll make a build folder, go into it, and then you make sure using CMake you're going to compile with Visual Studio's 2017 64-bit. This is very important. Now let me show you how that builds that file. So this is how it'll look, and you'll need to get two files out of here. You're going to get this include right here, and you're going to get the build file within debug, the actual library file. So I'll start with the library file, and we need to add this to our project folder. So let me find that project folder. I just saved it in my user. I got Sparse version 1. Alright, and then I'm going to go into the plugins folder, Sparse, source, third party, RPC lib. You see there's an include there. And the other thing is a lib file. So you actually have to create a folder in here. Lib. And just, copy in my lib. And that's it. Now we have a project. Next step is to go to the root of our project. And now you have Unreal installed, you can generate Visual Studio's files. So it'll go ahead and do that. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to start up the actual project. Okay, if you have any problems where it doesn't let you build, directly from opening it, you'll have to build from source. You'll have to open the Visual Studio solution and build from source. It may happen. Most of the time, it does seem to work fine. Just, Unreal is able to rebuild on its own. But if you need to, you'll open up the Visual Studio solution, wait for it to load, takes a second. And what you'll do is you will build Sparse. Once that's all done, you'll be able to actually open up the game, and here we go, we have it. I gotta build from here as well so that it loads the lighting. Alright, we wait for this. Okay, lighting built. We're gonna compile the project, and then we are gonna compile our plugin within the project. So let's show you guys this. If you go to Windows and then Developer Tools, you'll see modules. Open that up. Look up Sparse. Recompile Sparse. Alright, so we compiled the whole actual project, and then our plugin specifically is being compiled. Alright, this is important in your first start of the game. Now everything's done, and I should be able to start the game. There you go, I have a game started. That's my first setup from scratch. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys again in the next video.